He concedes he did it. The attorney for Alex Friedmann says his client admits he vandalized the Davidson County Jail. That was a big reveal on the first day of Friedmann's high-profile criminal trial. News Channel 5's Nick Barris is live in the 5 Alert Center. Nick, was this a big surprise?
Not really. I think the reason for this is he is clearly seen on security video all throughout this jail committing vandalism. The issue at trial ultimately may come down to the cost of what it was to restore security at the jail, the level of it, and the degree of the crime. Friedmann conceded he disguised himself as a construction worker. This is the first we've seen a video presented as evidence today showing him inside the jail, just walking around while it was under construction back in 2019-2020. During this time, among other things, he took keys, he hid weapons and tools inside the walls. Sheriff Darren Hall, who said that he came to know Friedmann earlier as a prison reform advocate, testified when Friedmann was the one that was arrested, he knew he was up to no good.
For him to have portrayed himself as a construction worker, which he was not, and for him to deliberately take keys in which he knew how important the keys were, I knew right then that everything had changed. I had no idea we were going to go through what is basically a catastrophic vandalism of our building.
The sheriff said more than $250,000 had to be spent to, among other things, review security video, locate all of those hidden weapons, and to change absolutely all of the locks to restore security in the jail. Now, defense attorney Ben Rabin says the state has grossly overestimated the cost of the damage done by his client.
Because the proof will show that they are trying to overcharge him for beyond what the vandalism law allows.
That's basically, in a nutshell, the defense. Remember, Friedmann is not charged with conspiracy or possessing weapons or theft. The charge is $250,000 on a vandalism case, a felony vandalism case, which, if convicted, could bring him years in prison. This is what the defense is going to be working on. They hope to convince the jury that the cost of addressing the security issues was far, far less than $250,000, perhaps bumping down the potential charge even to a misdemeanor, which would be a big victory for Friedmann if that happens. What it will cost will be at the heart of this trial moving forward. Send it back to you in the studio.
Thanks for that information, Nick.